Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on INFINIX Note Edge, so the option at the top. Then let's scroll and find the build number and keep tapping. Keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, simply enter it to confirm the whole step. And now we are a developer. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings, scroll all the way down and go to System. Now let's find developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long. So there are plenty of things to change here. And basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you want to turn on the option, just tap on the switcher next to it. And for example here, and as you can see, it is applied here. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. Maybe not necessarily local update, but for example, maybe here. As you can see, there are more options to choose from. And of course, you will be able to tap on them if they are available and supported. So after if you'd like to apply all of the options that you've just customized in developer options, you need to make sure that the developer options will be turned on. So just go back and leave them turned on in the system. However, if you'd like to make them disappear, then just tap on the switcher, which is at the very top of the list, and tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.